the Glam Princess, y'all, in the house. And I am thanking you, and I am so grateful for you all letting me come into your house to show you all these glam DIYs. So today we're gonna make the curtain tiebacks, and we're gonna use these embroidery hoops that I purchased from Walmart. I use this little gadget, y'all, to take off the little pieces that are on here. I did that off camera. And I'm using this building paint wooden ship. Like, it's got these little dowels in there. So I'm gonna use these out of there. Bling wrap, hot glue sticks, and glue gun. We're gonna use some metallic spray paint. And our handy dandy scissors. Okay, so y'all, the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the embroidery hoops and the dowels with the metallic spray paint. Okay, y'all, so we have the embroidery hoops. They're painted. I didn't paint them on both sides. I should have, but I didn't. Have to go to work. So I'm just going to show you all how, and the paint is just for, it's going to be completely covered. It's just for, you know, how you can see through it a little bit. So I want to make sure that it's all, you know, have that silver look to it. So I'm just putting glue on here so I can go a little faster. So you take the bling wrap and put it inside of there, and we're gonna go all the way around. fam. So this is how our curtain tie backs turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the curtains. And I'm gonna show you all how it looks on the curtain. Okay, so this is how the tie backs turned out. And I just love them, y'all. They are so cute. Okay, y'all, if y'all like it, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIY.